Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to create stunning Instagram posts but felt stuck because you're not a graphic designer, you're in the right place. Today, I'm walking you through exactly how to design an eye-catching Instagram post using Canva. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know all the steps to turn your ideas into a beautiful post ready to share with the world. It's simpler than you might think, and I'll guide you every step of the way. So let's dive in. First, open up your browser and head over to Canva. If you haven't used it before, Canva is a super user-friendly online design tool that makes creating graphics feel almost effortless. Go ahead and log in, or if you're brand new, it takes just a minute to sign up. Trust me, this is the starting point to unlocking tons of creative potential. Once you're on Canva's dashboard, look for the Create button, usually found near the top right. Give that a click. This is where you tell Canva exactly what you want to make, whether it's an Instagram post, a presentation, or pretty much anything else you can imagine. So in the search bar, start typing Instagram. You'll notice several options appear. Select Instagram post. This ensures the canvas size is a perfect square, which is Instagram's preferred format, and helps make sure your final design looks clean and professional once it's posted. Now you'll see a bunch of templates pop up. There are literally thousands to choose from. Don't get overwhelmed. Scroll through and pick a template that fits your vibe or message. For example, if you're sharing a motivational quote, maybe go for something with a bold font and a simple background. If it's for an event or a product, look for templates that have space for photos and text. The great thing about Canva templates is they're just starting points. You can change anything you want, so just pick something that feels close to what you have in mind. After choosing your template, it's time to really make it your own. Click into the various design elements and text boxes. Type in your own message or quote, swap out the images for your own, and change the fonts if you'd like. Each element is totally customizable, so don't be afraid to experiment. Add your brand's logo or maybe a photo from your most recent trip, whatever tells your story best. Next, let's take your post up a notch by adding effects. Canva makes it super simple to jazz up your graphics. Try applying a filter to your photo, adding a textured background, or playing around with shadows and outlines on your text. Little tweaks like this can make your design pop and really catch people's eyes as they scroll. As you're designing, pay attention to color. Matching your colors well helps keep your post looking professional and put together. If you're unsure what goes together, Canva has suggested color palettes, or you can use the eyedropper tool to pull colors from your photos for a cohesive look. Don't worry if this takes a few tries. Sometimes it's a bit of trial and error to find that perfect color combo, but trust me, it's worth it when your post looks seamless. Once you're happy with your design, take a breath and review it one more time to make sure everything looks just right. Click the Share button in the upper right corner. Then select Download, and for a super crisp image, choose PDF Print as your format. This ensures your design stays sharp, whether you're posting online or printing it out. And that's all there is to it. You've just created a professional-looking Instagram post in Canva ready to wow your audience. If you found this tutorial helpful, let me know by hitting that like button, and feel free to drop any questions in the comments. I love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva tutorials and creative tips. Thanks for watching and happy designing.